Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix Instagram DM message button not working. Okay, let's start. After that, go back your home screen. Go to your phone setting and follow my step. Scroll down, now tap one apps. Scroll down, now search your Instagram. Now click on storage, clear data and cache. Now tap one permission. After that, go back your home screen. Go to your Play Store, update your Instagram apps. Search bar, now search your Instagram. Now open Instagram and try logging in again. Your problem should be fixed. Thank you.